Hello everyone. Hey guys. Today we have another video. We are actually doing the rear brakes, and this is a 2013 Honda Accord two-door. And as you can see, they removed the tire and using 1316 millimeter. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna use some blast for rust. I'm gonna spray that on these two screws right here. Spray that on these bolts for the caliper, and these are 12 millimeter. And also the bolts that hold in the bracket, they are 17 millimeter. Okay, so what we can do, if you're having a hard time removing these screws, you have to bang on a rotor with a hammer, heavy hammer, and then you hold like a screwdriver or punch and hit that screw a little bit. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. All right, guys. Um, these screws right here might give you a hard time. I got this one off. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Well, first, make sure you got a big hammer like this. Bang on the rotor real hard. Make sure do not hit the studs. If you hit one of these, you might mess up the thread. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's set my phone down. All right. You're gonna get you a broken Phillips screwdriver, vice grip. Don't want to hold. Don't you hold it with your hand, because you might hit your hand, and that's gonna hurt. So you're gonna do it like this. Right. There you go. That's how you do it. All right. Well, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these two 12 millimeter bolts, and then we're gonna go to the bracket bolt right here. Move both of them, one on top, one on bottom, 17 millimeter, and go from there. All right, guys. As you can see, this is the rear brakes are not like the front. You can just push the piston with the C-clamp. This is a special tool you're gonna need, and it's this one right here. Okay, put these between these grooves right there, and then you're gonna push and turn, push and turn until you push all that. Push the piston all the way down like that, flat. Okay. If you find it hard, use this blaster. Make it a lot easier for you. Okay, you're gonna push that. Put your new rotor on. Make sure you clean it with a brake cleaner. Sometimes they have oil from the factory. Wipe it off with the towel, paper towel, whatever. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the bracket back on after we brushed it, cleaned it a little bit. Put it back on, and got you these 17 millimeter. Gonna install your bracket just like you took it off. Make sure these are tight. Make sure these are tight. Okay, and then after that, you're gonna install your brakes. I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, it's gonna look like this. You see how I put some grease on the pads? Makes it a lot easier to slide. And when you push the brakes, they go in and out easy. And another thing I want to tell you, these right here, See how they come in and out? Sometimes they're hard. If yours are not smooth as this, just pull this out, this right here, pull them out, clean them real good with the brake cleaner, put some grease on them, put them back on, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on and put my caliper on. Make sure those bolts are tight. And these for the caliper, make sure don't strip them. Can't go over tighten them. So when you feel they're tight, you need to stop because they strip easy. So I'm gonna go ahead, put everything back together, and put your tire on, and that's about it. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Get back to you, and if you find this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. All right, guys, have a good one.